So what this video is going to do is it's going to show you how to get an image or a file off of the classwork page. So right now I signed into Google Classroom. This is a class. Here's the stream, which is where the announcement is for the day. But what we need to do is get to the classwork page. And then I need to find projects, which is right here. And it says turn in last name shading JPEG here. This is the project that we're going to work on right now. So I click once on it and it expands down, but it doesn't show me everything. So what I need to do is click View Assignment. And then it takes you guys straight to this, and then over here it shows you how to turn in work. My view is a little bit different because I'm a teacher. What you need to do is you need to get this last name shading PSD document to your desktop folder. So the first thing you need to do is click once on it. I cannot, when I right click on this, it doesn't allow me to save or download. So what I have to do is I have to come over here to where it says More Actions. I need to open it in a new window. And then when I open it up in a new window, there's the download button here, and that allows me to download. So I press download, and then down here you see this is the file, and I'm going to quick launch it. And when I launch it into Photoshop, I will then do a save as, desktop, my folder, and I'm going to name it my last name. You guys will name it your last name. So I am Farrell. And then it's a PSD. It has to stay a PSD because if you see over here we have different layers that we're going to be working on. So I'm going to press save and OK. And the magic wand layer is going to be very helpful later on in this project, but right now what you guys need to do is you need to start blending these harsh lines and areas so that it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. This layer is locked because I don't want you to blend on this layer. Instead, if you want to use the cube, sphere, cone, or cylinder, you need to make sure that you click and highlight the layer that you want to work on, and then you're going to get your mixing brush, and then you're going to start mixing these colors together and making sure that that the shadow that you're creating matches the edge of this form. Okay? And so that is what you are going to do. In order to get started, however, you need to make sure that you are reading all of the directions which are posted back in Google Classroom under that classwork page.